Guys, hopefully everybody is doing well today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some salad. Of course I have the salad, lettuce. It looks like it's all over the place. I already put some ranch dressing and also some zesty Italian dressing as well. So it looks like it's already all over the place. I have some turkey meat in it, some croutons, some tomatoes, some boiled eggs, some onions, and also some pickles. I know it's weird, but it actually tastes good as heck. But yeah, excuse my actual facial expression. It's like I'm over this actual weather. It's bipolar in Texas. First it's actually cold and then it's hot. So I really been under the weather for like a week now, and I'm just now recovering. I'm just coughing up all the cold, so I'm not for sure if I look sick or not. But yeah, I have some water too, and I have a ginger ale as well. So yeah, I'm about to get into this. Oh yeah, I have some bacon bits as well. See, it's really soggy now. Pretty good. But today, I did, well, this basically whole week all I did was just try to get better or whatever. And just chill some more and just watch watch movies, and also watch movies on my phone as well. Showbox, like I'm guessing Showbox is officially down now, so it had a long run. Hopefully somebody actually makes something that's better than that as well. I did actually see something called T something. It looks the same or whatever. I know on some people's phone, like my mom's phone, it doesn't work. So hopefully Showbox comes back out. I know the whole legal issues about pirating or whatever. I know it's illegal or whatever, but hopefully they actually come back out with something equivalent or better. Is it wrong to say I need I need salt and pepper on this salad? I need to go grocery shopping because this was like my last one. My last kind of driving was basically my hottest spot. Well, it's basically my my bag that I always leave in my car. So I need to go grocery shopping ASAP. But I no longer work for the company anymore, officially. But I don't, according to HR, I still work there, but I don't work there, if that makes logical sense. I started my new job on Monday, so as long as my old job actually cleared a check, I'm all good. I'm not worried about them anymore. I'm just over. I need to hit the lottery or something. And I'm hoping this job is not as crazy as the job that I just stopped working at, because I don't really have time to be dealing with that racist crap anymore. Just I'm really not for it, to be honest. It is officially the weekend now. I'm eating late as heck because basically all day I've been, well, when I was supposed to eat dinner, I was just lounging around the whole day. I really didn't get up and cook nothing or eat anything. So it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning. I'm just ready. I'm really anxious about starting my new job, and I'm basically ready to stop feeling sick too. What do you guys have planned for the weekend? Me and my mom supposed to do something. So I'm going to my mom's over the weekend as usual. I have to look at the time on my bed. Being on the camera. I could eat salad every day, but I think I would need to add some seasoning or whatever. These people over here be doing too much. This neighborhood is a pretty good neighborhood or whatever. It's kind of on the expensive side of the actual, compared to my in the other areas in Dallas. Not necessarily expensive. It's like somewhat overpriced for the actual square feet, to me at least. And every other day, there's somebody either robbing over here, like in the neighborhood, they'll actually show it on their doorbell ring camera, or it's just like stupid stuff, like people just burning up the place, burning up the apartment. So yeah, just weird. I'm thinking I need to move. I'm not for sure if I'm gonna sign a second lease over here. Well, this area is pretty pretty good. It's just like random times people excuse me, random times dudes just like knock on my door. And one time I was like, who is it? They was like, they're looking for somebody. I guess the people that used to stay here, I don't know if they were trying to get in or whatever. And recently this week, 2 dudes were just knocking. They were knocking on my door and my neighbor's door across the hall. So I don't have time, because like every time around this year, people end up getting killed over an iPhone, getting robbed, just stupid stuff. Just craziness. Next time I won't put that much dressing because it seems like it's smothered in dressing. This is the first time I've been like sick in a while. I literally hate that feeling. I don't know. Well, I know it's probably because I washed my hair and I went somewhere in the cold weather. And I also think stressing had a lot to do with it as well. I've just been stressing about a lot of stuff lately, working and all that stuff. So, excuse me. Every time I end up eating, I always get like sleepy out of nowhere. I guess I'm overeating. I don't know. I'm just already sleeping now. Oh yeah, what do you guys have planned for the holidays? I'm not really for sure what I'm gonna do for Christmas. No, I'm gonna be around my family, of course, my immediate family, my mom and my little brothers. That's about it. But other than that, nothing really, probably major. Do the same thing I do every year. But yeah, what do you guys have planned? With too much dang croutons. It sure seemed like it passed by too fast, to be honest. Excuse me. I looked around and it's almost Christmas now. Thanksgiving already passed. I'm like, what the heck? I feel like it's about to be 2019, to be honest. At all. Excuse me. I know, I was gonna actually, you know how people restating that they're gonna have a New Year's resolution or whatever. I'm not even gonna wait till the new year. I'm just probably, excuse me, I'm gonna start working on my goals right now as of like now, literally. Just been having a lot on my mind about excuse me, about enrolling back in school. Just do something. I'm not for sure if I want to do something different or whatever, but enrolling back in school, being financially stable, stop overspending, spending money on stupid stuff and not eating it. Well, basically all my money I actually spend on food, and most of the time just like stupid stuff or whatever, and I just leave it in my refrigerator and it goes bad. something else that I want to work on, probably just being more healthier, mentally and physically and spiritually. Let me see. That's basically the three major points or whatever. Oh yeah, and stop letting I almost shot my salad. I'm tripping. And stop letting people get to me, as far as people that I don't even know whatever, or people in my circle, whatever. Just basically do you or whatever, do me or whatever, if that makes sense. That makes sense. It's a lot. Not necessarily a lot, but it seems like I stress myself over small things that I can't help. Well, small things that that's gonna happen regardless in the long run. To learn to actually cut that out clearly. I put too much croutons in here. Too many. Excuse me. Another thing I feel like I need to work on is be more I'm not sure if I said it, be more consistent with YouTube. That makes sense. Yep. This is basically all croutons. And I'm done with this crap. I think I am, at least. But yeah. Probably about to take some more medicine so I can get the rest of this cold out of me. And hopefully everybody is having a great day. Well, when you see us having a great day or a great night or whatever. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share my video, whichever one you prefer. Even provide criticism, whichever one you prefer. That's all, guys. Have a good night. Have a good day. And a great weekend.